Hey guys, so today I'm basically going to be creating this makeup look that you see before you. I used mainly the Pure Cosmetics and BoxyCharm collaboration palette that I got in my March BoxyCharm box. So if you guys want to see me create this beautiful, tropical, bright, lovely makeup look, please stay tuned. I already did my eyebrows and I already primed and set my eyelids, so I don't know what I'm interested in doing. I'm really feeling these two colors together for some reason, so I'm thinking I'm gonna go that route. I think I'm gonna go in, I don't know what to do. Alright, I got this. And I'm gonna lay that in my crease. I ordered my hair tie from, I can't remember the exact name, YouTuber. So I'll definitely put it at the bottom of the screen. I really like it. It's like so tight. I really thought that I was just going to be like doing my makeup with it and stuff. But right now I have like curlers in my hair and I really am not trying to let y'all see that. But the headband is really tight. So I can actually even wear this to go to sleep and stuff, which I really like. Because it's just easier than having to like tie your head and all this extra stuff. complete this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I gave you a really funky, bright, tropical, but I really like it. It's really bright, it's really festive, you know, and I like bright, festive eye looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and you guys already know what to do. Hit the subscribe button down below so you can see much more of me, myself, and I. And definitely stay positive, stay blessed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Deuces.
Long time is a overdue. Long time is a overdue. Because you're special to me. Special to me.